With Governor Kelly's statewide emergency order set to expire at the end of March, the clock is ticking for Kansas courts. During the pandemic, jury trials were put on hold here and all across the country. In Kansas, though, there's a speedy trial statute. It gives defendants the right to go to trial within 150 days. If that deadline is not met, their case could be dismissed. Up till now during the pandemic, court delays have been covered under that emergency order. But if it's not extended, many district attorneys fear they could be overwhelmed by a backlog of cases. Their solution? A stay on the statute, which passed in the Kansas House of Representatives today.
The statutory fix that we've got currently working will prevent us from having criminals walk out the door scot-free with no justice to the victims.
District Attorney Steve Howe adds Johnson County typically has 60 to 75 jury trials a year, and because of the pandemic, now they're behind dealing with double that number this year. The suspension of the statute would go into effect for 3 years. But critics, including the Kansas ACLU, argue that could leave defendants sitting in jail awaiting trial for months or even years.
It means that they are away from their families, they're away from their communities, they can't work, they can't support their loved ones. And it also means that they might be at risk of having evidence lost in their case.
Now, both sides note, even if the suspension goes into effect, defendants are still guaranteed a right to a speedy trial under the U.S. Constitution. The difference is the Constitution doesn't give a set deadline for when a trial must occur, giving courts a little more leeway. Now that this bill has passed the House, it's on to the Kansas Senate. We will continue to monitor this and keep you posted.